Jatugo Kevin Anyien ne obedo jaloch e piem mag stroke play tuke ma obagi e Royal Nairobi Golf Club boma ma Nairobi kaendi. Anyien ne oloyo jopiem moko adek mane girakore godo bang' choko points 74 e tielo mokwongo. Piem mapek ne onenore e kind Kanana Mudhoni, Mwanthi Gisheru, Audrey Gashora gi Junior Manji e tielo mokwongo. E tielo mar ariyo Anyien ne oyudo loch manyalo odia bang' choko points 75 ka oluwe gi Kanana, ka e thuolo mar adek ne omaki gi Mwanthi Gisheru.
So I started badly. I mean, because I really wanted to chase Kevin, and that I lost my focus on the first 9. But then second 9, I just tried to enjoy it, go through my routine and do my best, and that went well second 9, but not first 9. Yeah.
Okay, first day it was wild. I didn't even know I was going to play like 75 or something. I knew I was going to be in the 80s, but things were working out.
Yeah, for me I was just relaxed, doing my routine, just doing what I love. That's all. Yeah.